A very good morning to one and all. Dear students, I hope you all are good at home and completing your work as well as whatever is given by teachers. So, as per schedule, it's our maths class and hope math is your favorite subject like these children. And we are doing exercise 2 that is related to addition. We have completed that and today we are going to start new chapter 3 that is subtraction. Before starting the chapter we should know some subtraction facts. They will help in solving questions. So first point is, what is median? Median is the number from which another number is subtracted is called median. Or we can say the bigger number is called median. Next is subtrahend. The number is subtracted from the median is called subtrahend. Means the smaller number is called subtrahend. And what is difference? Difference means the result of a subtraction. The answer that we will get after subtracting, that will be difference. Here, let's have an example. 100 minus 40. We have to subtract 40 from 100. While doing subtraction, always bigger digit we will write first and smaller digit we will write next. So here 100 is median and 40 is subtrahend. As I told you, bigger digit is called median and smaller digit is known as subtrahend. So when we will subtract 40 from 100, answer will be 60. Or we can say this is our difference. So related to the subtraction, we should know about median, subtrahend, difference. Let's know about subtraction more. There are different rules when we have to start subtraction. First rule is when a number is subtracted from itself, the result will be 0. For example, if we will subtract 243 from 243, the answer will be 0. Like you are having 10 pencils and you gave all the pencils to me. Now, how many pencils do you have? You have 0 pencil. Why? Because all the pencils you had given to me. So, if a number is subtracted from itself, then the answer will be 0. And the second rule says when 0 is subtracted from a number, the result, the answer is the number itself. Let's have a practical example. For example, you are having 15 books in your bag and you had not given any book to anyone, or you had given 0 books to anyone. So now, how many books are there in your bag? Same, 15 books, because you had not given any book to other person. So the rule says, when we subtract 0 from any number, the answer will be the number itself. And the other rule says, when a number decreases by 1, means when we subtract 1 from any digit, the answer will be its previous number, its last number. As you can see 2 examples, like 718 is there and we have to subtract 1. So, the previous number of 718 is 717. So, the answer will be the previous number. And 956, and we have to subtract 1. So, the number or the answer of this digit will be 955, because the previous number is 955. Like, you have 10 candies, and if you will give 1 candy to mama, how many candies do you have now? You have 9 candies, right? Because 1 candy you had given to mama. So these 3 rules you have to remember whenever you will do sums of subtraction. The first rule of subtraction is subtraction by counting backward. Means we have to move backward. Example is given, 47 minus 9. Means we have to subtract 9 from 47. We will take 9 steps backward, like 46, 45, 44, 43, 42, 41, 40, 39 and 38. Means 9 steps we have taken backward. Thus, answer will be 38. 47 minus 9, answer is 38.